Hi guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today I'll go through the Haval H6 entertainment screen for all the functions and tutorial and walkthrough for all the features. Hope you enjoy the content. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and like down below. I'll leave all the timestamps down below as well for you to skip forward if you wish to. Alright, this is how the main screen looks like. First thing, this is the center menu. You can swap the screen left or right. So on the right screen, you can change different drive mode, quickly adjust the buttons, or click the intelligent to go into the safety technology settings on the vehicle. Anyway, click this to go back home. On the home screen, the first one is your radio, so you can see the radio information. On the second one is your music source, if you're playing something through Bluetooth or USB, whatever. On the right, that's your aircon menu. You can also have aircon display on the top. And then here are your display for your, let's say, Bluetooth or wireless charging or music, whatever is displayed. I do apologize, I forgot to do this part when I'm doing the tutorial for the outro. So this is actually an example of the Lux, the slightly lower spec with a smaller screen. Anyway, in the center screen, you can actually personalize this compartment or department. Click and hold anywhere around this icon. You can see this pops up. You can plus, minus, or delete whichever screen you like. You can also get them make a smaller screen. I can get this to make a small screen, then I can plus. When I plus, there are so many selections you can do. You can do vehicle settings, you can do seat settings, you can do energy flows, whatever you like, if you drive the hybrid, of course. Then now we can go back. This is how it looks like when we finish that. Again, you can move this to the left or right. You can move this icon to the next page if you like. Anyway, click and hold, and then you can drag this again. You can make it wider, you can make it shorter, whichever you like as well. So that's really cool. After you complete, just click the complete on the top. That's it. That's how to personalize the icon in the center. Then you have a drop-down menu. Under the drop-down menu, there are quite a few ways or quite a few functions you can quickly switch on and switch off. First thing, Bluetooth, and you can do display off. So if you're driving in the dark, you can do a full black screen if you wish. And next one, TOD, just a simple screen. So you have the basic screen information over here, no other information that's available. Otherwise, just click TOD, it goes back to the full screen, so to speak. Underneath, you can change the brightness quickly, you can change the volume quickly. You can also do small settings over here, so that means you can line these other icons up and down or cancel them if you wish to. Otherwise, click OK. And you get 0 notification, means everything's all okay, but if you do get any notification from your phone or anything like that, you are able to see some information over here. Next one, customer key. You can customize the start key on your steering so that you can quickly toggle between one of these. Let's say choose HUD or choose wireless charging, things like that. Depends on what you like again. You can do the steering mode, quickly change to comfort, sport or light. Comfort is balanced. Sport is a little bit sort of heavier in terms of the handling. Light is just a little bit light on the steering. Steering heating that's available on this vehicle, driver seat heating and passenger seat heating, again that's available on this vehicle. You can also do the seats. So again, go into the seats material, you can change the ventilation and heating, whichever you like. To adjust anything, just press that, that's on, or press this, that's off. Ventilation, same thing, press that to different levels, or press this to turn it off. Anyway, going back to the center screen, we get wireless phone charging. So this available is on this particular spec. Just leave the phone there, you can do the wireless charging. Otherwise, you can disable that if you wish to. Next, auto parking and reverse following. Maybe I'll do an individual video on that, just to show you how it looks like. Lane assist, switch on, switch off, whatever you like. Next one is DST. I don't know what this means, but I'll leave a comment down below just to show you what DST means. I'll dive into that. HUD just means heads-up display, which is available on this vehicle. You can adjust the different sort of theme on the HUD to blue or white light. Drive modes, again, you can quickly do adjustments over here. So that's pretty much what's on the main screen and on the drop-down menu. First thing, let's quickly talk about the aircon. So aircon, to change anything, you can do quick buttons over here, plus or minus to do zone, temperature, off, AC, whatever. If you want to go dive deep, you can click this icon, it'll go into the full screen to adjust whatever you like. You can also do a small setting on the top to do the comfort setting, standard, soft, or whatever. Auto defogging, off or on, whichever you like, just means when you start the vehicle, automatically will defog the rear windscreen and the wind mirror if that's equipped. You can do auto aircon as well if you wish to. To go into the aircon, there are two ways. One way is to tap somewhere around this, or another way is to tap around the corner over here on any other screen. So just go into the aircon screen. Anyway, next one is the radio. Pretty simple, just go left and right from this one to do manual adjustment for the radio station, or go here, left and right to do next and last available radio station in the area. If you want to save any particular radio station, if we click next one, over here to save it here, just click and hold, just like that, that's saved. You can do up to 18 radio stations if you wish to for your favorites. And you can click here to change source to AM if you wish to. Next one, we have the settings to set up your audio and all that things. We are going to go through that later on. And then if anything's connected, you can go into the center screen for your USB, for your iPod, for your CarPlay, for your Android Auto, whatever is connected. To connect all those things, you can use the USB control underneath in the center console. I won't need to go through that just yet. Let's go back home. The next one, we can go to the icon over here, so that actually shows all the music source or the vehicle settings, which is your menu icon, where this one is music, so you can change the music source. This one is the vehicle setting. Under the vehicle setting, let's go to the vehicle setting first. Under the vehicle setting, first one is the lights. You can quickly change your time setting. So you can see power saving delay time. So it just means if you run the vehicle for more than 5 minutes, the headlight automatically just shuts off until you start driving again. So it saves a little bit energy. Roof lighting timing just means when you switch off the vehicle or anything like that, you get a little bit delay on the headlight, on the roof light. Leaving vehicle timing just means when you shut off the vehicle at night, you'll have your headlights running for 30 seconds or whatever you select. Mode, you can do sport mode light or sport mode light on. Whatever you like, just means when you switch to sport mode, it'll give you a flashlight indication in the center. Find my car just means whenever you cannot locate your car in the big car park, you can press the lock button from your keyblade, so you engage horn or flash or both. Basically, that's up to you. Next one is the driving. So you can unlock mode, just means unlock all the doors or just unlock the driver door. Personally, I like to unlock all the doors. If you select driver door, you have to double click on the key to unlock all the doors. Speed lock just means when you drive off, automatically locks all the doors at 8 or 15 k's, whatever you select. Fatigue driving just give you some warnings if you're falling asleep. Ignition off and unlock just means when you switch off the motor and they unlock all the doors basically, so the central locking is disengaged. Dynamic stability assist may be important if you drive very aggressively, things like that, depends on how you like it. Drive mode setting, you can change different drive mode over here, where to be fair in the main screen you can easily change over there. Multi-mode steering, again you can change light, comfort and sport. You can do a quick drop-down menu to change anyway, you don't have to go this deep in the steering. Waiting mode, it just means when you switch this on, your engine will automatically start, so it will get the engine running instead of the EV battery running, because this one is the hybrid version. Next is the seats, we have talked about that, heating, ventilation, just bring that up and down 3 levels. If this is equipped. If you have the base model, you don't get this function, I believe. Next is intelligent driving. I will maybe do a full video about this in the future. At the moment, just a quick run through for the functions. Front assist just means front collision warning and emergency braking. Before you crash into something or someone, it'll give you warning and emergency braking if necessary. Lane assist, when you go over 60 k's, the vehicle steering see the lane marking and give you different balance or different or warning if you're going off your lane marking. You can change this on and off to have lane keep, to have lane assist, to have anything, or just warning. That's up to you as well. Side assist, that's your blind spot detection on your wind mirror, so the wind mirror will give you an indication light if someone is driving behind you on the left or on the right. So you get all these. You can also get rear traffic cross alert. When you reverse the car park, the vehicle will give you warning if someone is traveling behind you. Next one is the traffic sign recognition, so see the traffic sign and display on the dashboard for you, so you know your what's the speed limit in this area. I even give you speed limiter or speed warning if you go over the certain speed. But again, that's up to you whether you like it or not. Next is the parking. You get the auto vehicle assist, auto parking assist. So you can recalibrate the camera if you wish to. And then if you drive at a certain case, it will exit this auto parking alert. Reader settings, it will automatically switch on the front reader if you get close to something with the parking sensor. That's cool, you can leave it on. Flank protection, again, just random warnings. Maneuver emergency braking, some people may not like this. Just when you reverse out of the car park, when you get really close to something on objective, this will actually give you emergency braking if you're going reverse. But depends on how you like it, that's up to you. Next we get HUD, which is a heads-up display available on this top spec trim. Again, for some other vehicles you may not have it. Quickly switch it on and off, whichever you like. You can set all the settings about how you like the color scheme, or snow means blue color if you like, or height adjustments, adjust the brightness, rotation. That's up to you. I'm not going to dive deep into that. Comfort, you get the front windscreen wiper timer, so it's long, short or medium. Again, that's up to you, but you get auto sensing, so it just helps with how fast it wipes basically. And then you have the tailgate, so just the auto tailgate that's available on the higher spec. You can turn off or on. Where it's charged, on off, that's up to you. Steering heating, on off, again, that's up to you. Rear view mirror auto fold, that's handy. If you lock the vehicle, automatically will fold the wind mirror, so that's quite good. New energy, I believe this is only available on the hybrid version. I just show you the energy statics, so you can see the mileage, you can see the consumption, you can see the energy flows, or EV battery, things like that. Again, probably only available on the hybrid. You can do wash and trailer mode, so it's not engaging any of these functions, or single pedal function. Again, only available on the EV or hybrid version. Vehicle status, you can see the battery power, again, only available on the hybrid drivetrain. So let's go back home. Now we're back in the setting. Let's go to the system setting. Under the system setting, you can set up quite a few things. First thing is from the audio. You can select audio sound quality to change all vehicles, rear, anything like that. That's the surround sound, I believe. Beeps, you can have it on or off. Just means when you tap anything, it will give you beep feedback or no feedback. Speed dependent volume just means when the speed goes up, your volume automatically goes up as well. But again, depends on how you like it, because you're getting a little bit more raw noise on the higher speed, so this actually helps. Incoming call tone, you can change whatever you like, and then as message tone, you can change whatever you like. Volume settings, again, you can change whatever you like, whichever you like, so that's totally fun. And then volume max, you can change the maximum volume just in case you get in the vehicle and someone actually turn the volume too high. That's also available. You also can enable the tuner default mute setting. Just means whenever you switch out the vehicle on, radio is always on mute. I really like that feature. That's really cool. Next is the display. Just basically you can change the theme of this particular vehicle. You can do display settings. You can do switch to auto or day or night for the brightness, all that stuff. You can do the brightness settings. Again, that's normal. Status bar display, that's the status bar on the top line. You can disable that. If you do want to say Bluetooth, we can disable Bluetooth just like that, or display missed calls or whatever you want. But at the moment, everything is enabled. And the standby clock, so it just means when you switch the screen off or anything like that, you can digital or dial. Again, that's up to you. Device list, you can change all your devices, you can connect all your devices, you can delete all your devices on Bluetooth if you wish to. Time and date, very easy, just select whatever time you like. You can also enable the auto set time in New Zealand, Australia if you wish. Language, you can change all the language if you like. There's Chinese, there's other Spanish available, things like that. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like, that would be really helpful for the channel to grow. As always, I'll see you next video.